In today's video, I'll be giving my honest review on Pocket Option. Now, by the end of this video, you're going to understand everything you need to know about Pocket Option, including what it actually is, what their top features are, as well as a quick look into some of the pros and cons of this platform. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important details. So to start with, what actually is Pocket Option? Pocket Option is a binary options broker that's known for its user-friendly platform and focus on beginners. They offer a practice account with virtual funds and mobile compatibility for on-the-go trading. However, a major drawback is their lack of regulation by a top-tier financial authority. So what are some of the top features of Pocket Option? To start with, there's the demo account. This is a valuable feature for new traders, as the demo account allows you to practice trading with virtual funds before you start risking real money. It comes preloaded with a substantial amount, and as you can see in the top right corner, it actually gives you 50,000 to play with. Another feature is the variety of assets. While it's not the most extensive, Pocket Option does offer a range of assets to trade, including forex, stocks, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and even indices. However, the main focus for Pocket Option is their binary options. This is a high-risk trading product where you can speculate on the price movements of an asset within a specific time frame. So for example, you could guess whether the price will be higher or lower in the next 5 minutes. So what are some of the pros and cons of Pocket Option? To start with, it's a beginner-friendly platform. As you can tell, Pocket Option's user-friendly interface and demo account make it attractive to new traders. The platform's really easy to navigate, and the demo account allows you to practice risk-free. Another pro is the mobile compatibility. This allows you to trade from anywhere with an internet connection. And you can connect to Pocket Option all through a web browser, which eliminates the need for downloading an app, offering flexibility for on-the-go traders. And another pro is the variety of tradable assets. As I mentioned earlier, it's not the most extensive, however they do offer a decent range of assets to trade. This allows for some diversification in your trading strategy. So now on to some of the cons. One of those is that it's an unregulated broker, and for some this is a major concern. A lack of top-tier regulatory oversight raises concerns about security and potential risks for users' funds. Another con could be that it's a high-risk product focus. As I mentioned, Pocket Option primarily deals with binary options, a form of gambling with the potential for significant losses. So you do need to be aware of the inherent risks involved before trading. And another con could be the limited investment options compared to others. While Pocket Option does offer a good range of assets, it may be less extensive than what some other brokers provide. So this could be limiting your trading options. So in conclusion, is Pocket Option right for you? Whether or not you should use Pocket Option depends on your risk tolerance and experience level. Pocket Option could be a good fit for beginners who want a user-friendly platform and a place to practice with a demo account. And it's also a good fit for traders who specifically want to focus on binary options so that they can understand the associated risks. However, you should proceed with caution if you prioritize security and are concerned about the lack of regulation by a top-tier financial authority. You should also proceed with caution if you prefer a wider range of investment options beyond binary options. And you should also stay away if you're a risk-averse trader, because binary options are inherently high risk. It's crucial to do your own research to fully understand the risks before trading with Pocket Option. If you are going to try this out for yourself, I recommend starting out with a demo account so that you can get comfortable with the platform before risking real money. So this has been my honest review on Pocket Option. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.